Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to redeem a gift card or coupon code on Little Caesars application on your mobile device. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open your application. Once you've done that, there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do so. If you click on the deals button on the bottom of your screen, as you can see, there's going to be a couple of coupon codes that you can simply go ahead and click on apply code and then simply go ahead and start doing your order. If you go ahead and click on delivery, you can also simply go ahead and select your address. So right over here, I'm going to go ahead and do so. The other way to go ahead and use a promo code is going to be by simply making an order. Go ahead into the checkout page, and on the checkout page, there's going to be apply promo code or gift card coupon option. Simply go ahead and enter your code, and then it will be applied to your order. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.